मैट शो जहाँ पे हम करते हैं झंड बहुत सारे लोगों की और बहुत ही स्वीट नेचर्ड celebrities they turn into conniving villains and pranksters जो prank करते हैं बहुत सारे अपने friends पर. Who am I? I am Siddharth Gupta. I am a upcoming superstar. Just kidding. But you can see my film on the 30th of May. Kukumato ki Jhand hogi. And you can catch me and you can see how it is. Coming back to the show, I would like to call the programming head of MTV India and tell us more about the show.
The show that we're talking today about is Jhand Hogi Sabki, and we've actually gone ahead and revealed a teaser of it a week back, which was Shraddha Kapoor stabbing a stuntman. Shraddha's case, we had Mohin Suri, Siddharth Malhotra, Siddharth Gupta. All of them were hands in glove to pull this one off on Shraddha. Poor thing was almost in tears. And there have been cases where Jhands have gone completely wrong also, thanks to some of our team members, where we had Jhand that we pulled on Nargis Fakhri, which turned out to be completely unexpected or what we were expecting it to turn out to be. So there has been so much fun and so much experiment that MTV has always believed in going into territories which are experimental in nature, which might not be your short GC way of getting people to watch it, but what we always believe in is experimenting with the content that we do, and also going to that extra mile, thinking that will that work or will that not work is completely something else altogether, but something that will always be having eyeballs and saying we tried something very interesting. Thankfully, we've got an amazing response so far onto the show on YouTube and on our websites. And that's one of the reasons why we were looking at placing it on any other slot, but giving it the most important slot that we have on our channel, which is it's replacing Roadies at 7 PM Saturday. So I'm hoping that it turns out to be as successful as our Roadies this year, which has been #1 non-fiction show throughout the youth category.
I think it's a kick-ass idea. I think we couldn't have asked for more for a film like Kukumato Ki Jhand Hogi. Balaji and MTV collaborating, and Balaji collaborating. It's a great concept. I think it's very youth connected, and all the youth, all the people are going to connect to it, because here we are not doing Jhand with very normal people. These are established celebrities. They are very young and very fresh and have a lot of curiosity among all the young people, all the people around India. So when you see them in their real emotions, that is what you can connect.
The whole beauty of the prank is the uncertainty of it, because you don't know what's going to happen. It might go right, it might go wrong, and I think that in itself is the fun part. Sometimes they turn ugly, yes, but I think you should just be in the moment and just look at the bright side of it, because no matter how bad a prank goes, it can't really go like that bad, you know. So
because at the end of the day, it's a prank.
It's a prank. It's
so
for
it's
fun.
all planned, you know.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, it's a prank. It can't go wrong. It's all planned.